Hey guys, we received this Fun Sales Toddler Scissor Skills set for test and try. It's a art supply and craft kit for kids. Safety scissors, fine motor toys, and Montessori gift for boys and girls. Preschool learning activity book. So let me just open this up. So it's a complete set for the scissor fun. Here, like the kids can learn scissor skills and through the play. So it's a nice kit. So in this kit, there is two activity books. 30 activities in total, one glue stick, two pairs of scissors, and one glue tape. So as you can see it here comes in this nice packing, and there are two pair of scissors, protective for the kids and for little hands, glue stick, and the glue tape. So there are like easy to follow instructions in the activity book, as I will just show you. And you have to do some missing patterns or something you have to cut or tear, and after cutting that you have to paste it on the activity books. So instructions are provided, and you can easily use these instructions to cut and make your nice cool things. So level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is the snipping and fringe cutting. Level 2 is mastering lines, straight, zigzag and curvy. And level 3 is unleashing creativity with the simple shapes. So here you can see all the activities provided, and then you have to just cut these strips down there and then paste it on the sheet. So like ways there are like all the different things and instructions that you can use it here and create your activities things here. So it have a rocking horse, wiggly worm, snake, dinosaur, or everything for you to use, like the shapes and the scales for the different levels, and then to use the things there like a rainbow race or anything. So basically a really nice fun things for this summer for the kids, and hope they enjoy this as well.